Hi, folks. Hope you are doing great. In this session, we are going to just give you a basic demonstration of how to set up your Google Ads and create your first display campaign or search campaign. Probably we'll focus on search campaign, and we'll see, or I'll broadly give you an overview how to set up such a campaign. Now, the point is, many a times if you come onto this Google Ads, that is ads.google.com, you would keep on seeing that Google deliberately makes this platform more and more complicated, because what happens is many of the people have started using this platform for SEO purposes, but this is a platform which Google wants dedicatedly to for people to use it for creating ad campaigns and generate revenue for Google, right? So whenever you log into it, you would see some kind of changes keep on happening. So once in a while, we would stumble upon some new feature which we did not see in the in the previous visit. Okay, so for that reason, you have to sometimes hunt for some options, try to understand what it is happening and how things go ahead. So I've just created a new account for the purpose of demonstration only. So this is entirely whatever we are trying to do. Okay, this is just for the basic understanding. I won't be taking you through the advanced options and all. It is just the purpose of understanding the overview of setting up a search campaign. Okay, so the moment I log in, this is the overview tab. Here you can see straight away you have a new campaign. Okay, let us start with that. Okay, now the moment I start with a new campaign, I have these options: sales, leads, website traffic, product, and all those things. For instance, let us say I want website traffic. So I click on website traffic. Now, what kind of a campaign I'm setting up? As I told you in the beginning itself, we are focusing on search campaign. So I click on this search. Now I want a business website. Okay. For the purpose, I've just created a free subdomain on WordPress. So I'll be using that. This is just for the purpose of demonstration. So this is the free WordPress subdomain I have. I'm using that. Now go ahead. Now what kind of, first you have to just go for the uh, basic general settings. The first thing, that is campaign name. See, campaign name, whatever you give, this is for your purpose. When you run several campaigns together, you should be in a position to identify that this campaign belongs to what. Okay, so if you are a consultant and you are running campaigns for many of your clients, so you should be in a position to identify which campaign belongs to which client. Okay, so that way you need to give name your campaign in such a way that you should be able to identify it. So for me right now, for the demonstration purposes, it's fine. Okay, for me it's website traffic search. Okay, now networks. Obviously, if it's a search ad, it will be available on search network. If you want this to be shown on some display network, some other relevant websites or videos or wherever across the internet, you can just keep it as checked. This box could be checked. Or else, if you don't want only the ad should appear in the search, then you can uncheck. It's up to you. So there are pretty more number of settings which I would avoid right now. This video is primarily focused on giving you the overview. Okay, so now let us see. I'm setting up some location. Okay, where this ad should be shown. So let us say I want this to be triggered across India. Okay, so I check it over here. But if I want to give some precise location, I can do that. Like for instance, I want this to be shown in entire Punjab only. Okay, so I would say Punjab, India, targeted. Okay, now languages. English is by default. I would like to add Hindi as well. So this is Hindi, right? So audiences. Now, what kind of audience I want? Let us say my uh, the website which I have given, that was related to marketing. So I would just search for marketing and see what appears. Yeah, advertising and marketing services. Okay, business, no. Email marketing, okay. SEO and SEM services, that's fine. Okay, so it gives me the basic audience who are supposedly interested in these areas. Okay, now I have some targeting options. I would keep it as the default, whatever is recommended by Google. Now come to this budget and bidding. Now enter the average you want to spend each day. Let us say I want to spend 500 each day. I'm more focused on, let us say, clicks. Okay, because we say PPC, pay per click. So I'm interested in clicks. Don't forget to set the maximum. Okay, I want to spend only 5 rupees per click. Okay, so these are some advanced options. I would prepare some dedicated videos for them. I would currently save and continue. Okay, now once you have given your website, okay, that would be very interesting that it will automatically pick up some keywords. So if you want to keep them, that's fine. If you don't want to keep them, you can remove. This is just for a demonstration purpose. So for that reason, I would keep these. Okay, not a problem. So it is just for a demonstration purpose, right? So it has automatically selected some keywords for me. But anyway, these are some, most of them are irrelevant for me. So I will remove and I would add some keywords of my choice. Okay. For example, marketing blogs, marketing insights. Okay, something like this, whatever is of my interest. Okay, it says, see, low traffic expected, check your campaign targeting section, all these things. Okay. So anyway, this new interface of Google, this has made things complicated. So if you keep less keywords also, it doesn't give you, proper traffic. Now let us say, it says you can add a new group, not a problem. Right now, see, this is add group 1. What do you mean by this? When I'm running a campaign, within a campaign, you can have multiple, sub ad groups. Now, for instance, let us say first campaign was for me to build website traffic. So within website traffic, I can bring in traffic for my blogs. I can bring in traffic for my products and services if I'm selling anything. So for example, let us say blog visits. So this is for me to increase my blog visits. Okay. So I've given a name, save and continue. Okay. Now you can see this is my URL. Now, if I want to give a custom look and feel to my URL, you can keep something like, for example, marketing blogs. Okay, this is what will appear in your ad. Now, whatever headlines you want to give, okay, the moment you click over here, it will start picking up some ideas from the website which you have given already. Okay, for example, okay, marketing for a cause. If you don't like it, you can customize it on your own as well. Okay, and then you can have, let us say, strategy for marketeers. Then you can have, okay, in state of Andhra Pradesh. Then you can have unwholesome demand, whatever. These were some articles on my blog itself. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anything else? Let us say marketing fundamentals. Whatever headlines you want to give, you can give. Okay. Now description. It will auto suggest some descriptions. Okay. You are interested, take it. If not, you can write on your own. Okay. So this way I have added some. Now you can add some URL options. If you want people to come onto some specific page, that is to say, define your landing page. Okay, like let us say I want people to go onto this post. Okay, you take this and put it over here. Okay, I will add the same thing here also, and then I would test. Okay, you will get, okay, tracking call successful, close, done, save and continue. Okay, so it says there are issues, low traffic could be expected. If you want, you can fix it. For the timing, this is just for demo purposes. So I would go and publish it. Okay, so once I've published, okay, you could see I've used Punjab for the location for targeting. So this is one ad which is in the review. Okay, so if I just go and see my ads, okay, so this is the ad. You can see this is the ad which is created just now. So it is pending under review. So once it's reviewed, then you can see the stats over here. Now, how do you control? Now, just see this green dot means this is an active ad, okay? But this was just for demo purposes. So I don't want any money to be, taken away from my account. So I can edit it. See, enable, pause. I can pause this campaign. So for the time being, I pause this campaign in order to avoid any amount getting debited from my account. And this is how you set up a basic ad campaign. Hope you must have found this useful. If yes, do like, share, and subscribe. Spread the good word. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.